Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do this reflected cross-site scripting in canonical link tag. So in the previous videos, we have completed this much of cross-site scripting. So let's get started to do this. So open this. So here we have this window, lab reflected cross-site scripting in canonical link tag. So it's not solved. I'm going to solve for you. This lab reflects users' input in a canonical link tag and escapes angle brackets. To solve the lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack that injects an attribute that calls alert function. To assist with your exploit, you can assume that a symbol that its users will press the combination key. So for this, you can understand that Control+Shift+X. So let's take it and just access the lab. So here we have access the lab. So here we have no input type user, so we have to just go after the following URL link, just give slash and then this. So I will give you the description in your description box, so you can simply go this. So after this, just enter. So it's timeout. Let's go back. Okay. So give slash and then this timeout. Okay. So I just reloaded the page of both these and then give slash and again. So now enter. So we are in. So now you just move the mouse and it will, congratulations, you have solved. So you can, if you want to see the alert function, just type just press Alt Shift and X, so you can see that it gives one. Okay, so as many times as you press Alt Shift X, it will give you the alert function. So now it will also give. Okay, so let me remove this and again and then again Alt Shift X, so it gives. So hope you like this video. If you stuck anywhere, please do tell me in the comment box and I will resolve it. So stay tuned for YouTube channel. You are watching Techno Ayan and this is Ayan Ahmad. Thank you, signing off.